Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up Crucial on your VLE. I'm using the VLE Moodle as an example as it's very popular. Other VLEs should work in similar ways, but they might be slightly different, so do have a look at your own documentation. So we've created a course called Crucial in which we're going to add this activity. You can see there's a number of activities already there. In order to add something to Moodle, you have to turn on editing. Adding an activity means adding a resource and choosing the kind of activity. It's a SCORM package. Now you'll get the dialog box where you can input all the details and upload the file. This one's called Problems with Oil, and you can describe in the box how you'd like it. Choose the file, Problems with Oil VLE, and now upload it. And we're going to pause for a moment while it's uploading. Okay, so now it's uploaded the file. Let's have a look at the settings. We can leave pretty much all of them unchanged. We're just going to make sure that it displays correctly by using the new window option and letting the user decide how the window is displayed. And that's it. We can save, and now you can see that the activity has been added. Let's just test that you can use it. So we'll click, and it's now loading the activity, which is a flash file, and that will play, open up like this, and we can just see that all of the slides are here working correctly. So that's it. Very simple.